Let's look at Sundowns. Do you have any concerns about them? There's something they need to urgently fix going forward Kuma game? Because even next week they're playing Pirates who semi-final MTN 8 as well. As you looked at Sundowns today, do you have any concerns about them?
They need Umdao. I know with Umdao, if you are good, you need to leave. But they're still contracted, they need to fix that. They need Umdao. Or this point can do very well. But we need Umdao. They want to win Champions League. The aim is to win the Champions League. Each and every coach. Sundowns, their aim is to win the Champions League. I mean, I'm not worried about the league because for me, I'm going to stay with Bazui.
There's 30 matches.
Yes, there's 30 marathon. But from
what you saw today, have any concerns?
They're still on the preseason. The way they play, too slow, lack creativity. Without Ribeiro, I think lack of creativity. Aside in love. And also Matthews. You need to wake up, pull up the socks. You cannot have a strike.